I don't want to feel hot.
Bamwita Chris Easy, how are you feeling today?
Sekoma, Sekoma.
Oh my God. Bamwita Chris Easy. Go Sekoma, Sekoma. Ariko nashyushye rero. Buriya muri kumbona.
You don't come by saying it. I don't want to feel hot.
Mbabarira, mbabarira. All been waiting for Chris Easy. Ari inyuma hariya, reka muhamagara aze. Ariko ikibazo ndi kubona ari kuvugana n'umuntu, but ibyo nta kintu bimbwiye. Bamwita Chris Easy, how are you feeling today?
Sekoma, Sekoma.
Oh my God. Yes, 1 2 3 go twagiye. Peace. My mini special. But I don't see how they feel, but for me, this is very good. Chris, how do you feel? How is it?
Speechless. I'm speechless.
It's more.
I just wish I have marriage.
I mean, this is amazing. Tell us your secret. Thank you. There's more.
People watching this, there is a guy behind the camera, he's very cute.
He's amazingly cute, you guys.
These people, man.
Video nijya kurangira tubereka ukuntu.
Yeah, we have to click the cam and then see your face.
Yes. Are you okay with it, Bang?
That's cool, I'm okay with it.
Imagine for me, you just have to share this part.
I make it
Let it be,
emphasis.
yeah.
Chris, what are you doing?
I'm tripping, man. Yeah, man. No, you just like I don't know.
My outfit.
Anything that you wanna go do. Bro, Chazi come get. It's not going to go. This is our video channel. This like these things looks.
It looks amazing, you guys.
Man.
It is. Now when the corner on Beneza, go. I am your client.
Harya ngo no barista. Now I'm a singing barista. I'm a singing barista, and this is my client.
We all look good, as you can see.
Yeah,
so
man.
bear with us to get there.
That's
ariko nzikujijisha
yeah. Urangiza ukagira ngo urabizi cyane. No, hari this thing nabonye iyo umuntu atakaza cyane akajya gusaba ukajya wigira gusa.
ntabwo biri kuva mu bantu. That's Basi, everybody. Basi. Oh my God. So hello, beautiful people. So right now we're ending this shooting day. How do you feel today, Chris?
I feel like it's day one.
It's day one, not day two?
Yeah, man. Day two is on.
Oh yeah. Oh, no need. No need. But guys, it was so much fun. We enjoyed. What was your favorite part? Uri kuba big.
Oh yeah. My favorite part ni ingi tuzeho umuriro tugiye gushutinga.
Exactly. Okay, so guys, don't forget to subscribe, like.